Mackie, you do it. Mackie. Mackie, you do it. Good job. Good job. You ready? Mackie, you do it. Mackie. You do it. Lincoln wants to hear you go. Mackie. Mackie, you do. You know why it's funny? It reminds him of 5.5 months when I was barfing my brains out. Huh? See, I've heard that noise before. Mackie's like, now he's like, this isn't funny to me. Mackie. Come on, Mackie, you do. Macapo. Mackie. Hey, Mackie. You do. Last one. Mackie. Last one. You guys are dweeberts. I love you, Mackie. Thanks for the good material. And you. It's only because he's exhausted. Tomorrow, when he's not tired,